Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display it's giving you an Ex9E error, and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it. So basically you'll get this error when the dryer senses that some of the buttons on the interface are not working. Now, the first thing to do is just to check the buttons, make sure there's no damage to the buttons or anything like that. Make sure there's no gunk that's making a button stay stuck or anything like that. Wiggle anything free you need to. The next thing to do would be to get in behind it and check the wiring and make sure all the wiring is connected properly. There's nothing disconnected, damaged, frayed, crossed, or anything like that going to the control unit, the main control unit. If everything looks good, the next thing to do would be to actually replace the interface itself because it may be faulty. And then finally, if that doesn't fix it, then this error might be coming from the main control board itself, with which case you'll need to replace the main control board. If you decide to go that direction, I will go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to replace the electronic control board.